Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. I'm going to show you today how to make salt and pepper chicken wings. Now let's get into the video. First you want to wash your chicken wings. Mine were bought whole, but I chopped them in half so that they're separated to flats and drums, and I washed them with vinegar water. In this bowl I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of minced ginger and minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. This is the brand that I like to use. And also 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and that is the brand that I like to use. So all of this gives it that lovely Asian Chinese shop flavor. And then we're gonna crack 1 medium-sized egg into the bowl and mix everything together thoroughly. Once the mixture is well combined, just cover with cling film and leave to marinate overnight. If you don't have time, a couple hours or minutes will do, but if you do have time, do it overnight. So the next day, just get everything out of the fridge, and now we're gonna use corn flour for the batter. So this gives it that nice crispy texture. You can use potato starch. I don't really like using flour because it doesn't give it that nice crispy flavor, but that's the brand that I use. If you are on a low carb diet or whatever, you can use coconut flour or almond flour, but corn flour does give it that perfect nice crisp and brown color. So just mix everything in until it's well combined. I don't like using my hands to touch corn flour. It's got some weird texture and it just feels weird. But if you think your batter is not you can always add more corn flour if you want it to be like really battered, but I don't want it to be too battered, so that's enough. You want to heat up some oil. Guys, I did put my wings in a little bit too early, but you know, we move. But make sure your oil is quite hot, and you can check this by popping a wooden spoon inside the oil, and once you see it bubbling, then it's great. So we're going to leave that in there to fry for, I don't know, just until you can see that the batter is, you know, starting to crisp, and then we're gonna flip it. But you don't want to flip it once it's completely brown. You want to flip it when it's still a bit white, and then when the side that's facing the bottom of the pot starts to turn brown, then you can flip it again so that the other side can also turn brown. Because what you can do is you can just cook the skin and burn it, and the chicken inside won't be cooked. So you do want to turn your heat down a little bit low, not too low, and yeah. Once it's looking all nice and golden brown, check to see that the inside is cooked, and then pop it aside. Drums do tend to cook a little bit longer than flats, so yeah, make sure that it's well cooked, guys. Next we're just going to prep our garnish. So I've got half an onion, I've got one sprig of spring onions, 1 red chilli and 1 green chilli, and we're just going to chop it all up so that we can pop it in a pan with some butter to just lightly saute. So just chop it up. This is the way I like to do it. You can do it whatever way you like. guys, the chicken is good, and I did the taste test. It also tastes really good. You can actually leave it like this if you wanted to, but this is salt and pepper wings, so we need to put the salt and pepper on top. So in a separate bowl, I'm going to mix 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and just a bit of chili flakes. I'm going to pop that on the wings, and you want to mix it in so that it coats every single wing. Guys, it tastes so good. Make sure you taste. If you do need to make some adjustments, do so. Add more sugar, add more salt. Let it be to the taste that you like. Almost there, guys. I know you're dying to eat this chicken wings, but we're almost there. So just pop in a pan some butter, the onions, the spring onions, the chili peppers, put it all inside. We don't want to cook this down, we just want to saute it so that it still has a bit of crunch and texture. Yeah, just fry it down, guys. Oh yeah, and after about 50 seconds, add your chicken wings and just let it sit around and just put all the garnish everywhere. Let it all marinate together. And there you have it, guys, your salt and pepper wings. Just dish them on a plate however way you like to. Garnish it and just enjoy it with your friends, with your family. Don't eat too much because we are not trying to get fat in this quarantine. You know, as my mom always says, there is tomorrow. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Do like, do share, do comment, do subscribe as well, and see you next time.